Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to yet another video, another episode of Vlogtober. This is officially episode 4 of our Vlogtober. So today I want to cook something. Not today, actually tomorrow. It's Saturday today, so today I'm just gonna make myself something small and not heavy, something light. But then tomorrow I wanna cook chicken curry, so I ordered from Woolies. I ordered something from Woolies. I ordered a few things. I didn't order a lot of stuff because, like I said on the previous vlog, the last grocery that I did from ShopRite, that was the finishing product. Okay, so we are waiting for it to be delivered. I think it'll be delivered soon. So it's a bit cold outside, so I'm just gonna wear a hoodie and run outside. Okay, so before I go, I just wanted to say to you guys, thank you for coming back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. We have like 10 new subscribers. Welcome guys, welcome besties. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do click on the red button. You won't regret it. Please don't forget to like and comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a Vlogtober episode. What do you mean? We've already dropped 4 now. It's the consistency for me. It's definitely the consistency for me. So let me go get the order and I'll take you guys through what I ordered today.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need to waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. Don't close your eyes to get away.
Hi guys, so my order from Woolies just arrived. So I already unboxed because I wanted to do a reel for Instagram, but yeah, let me just show you what I got. So you know that these ones are always on promotion at Woolies. You get 3 for 80 rands, because one is 30 something rands. Yeah, honestly love them so much. I wanted to try this orange and mango flavor, and this is the one that I normally buy. It's okay honestly, but I prefer this one. This is the flavor that I prefer, so I got all 3 of them. I honestly love them. Like I said in one of my old vlogs, the first time I got them, I said to myself that I'm gonna be buying them every time, because I'm trying by all means to stay away from Coke, because guys, Coke is not good and it's way too addictive, and like I just wanted to cut ties with Coke. Another thing that I got this fresh coriander. It was just 14 rands. Yeah, I got it because I want to make curry today. I want to use it for curry. I also got these chicken breasts. Yeah, it's 8 chicken skinless breast fillets. So I think they were also on promotion because they are 131, but I got them for 110. Save 15 rands, I guess. So the reason why I got this is because I want to make curry with some of the chicken breast, and I have buns and I don't have burgers. I didn't buy burgers this month, so I'm gonna use some of them to make myself homemade burgers. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to like, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I post. So right now I think I'm gonna be cleaning my bathroom, and yeah, we'll talk before I cook. Bye for now, besties. Bye.
started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something you heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on.
Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide.
Hey besties, welcome to yet another video. This is officially episode 4 of our Vlogtober. So I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. So I just realized something weird, ne? So when I'm vlogging, I hardly pay attention to what date it is and when that vlog is gonna go online live, you know. So I just realized that that's messing up with my schedule, yeah. So oh sana yeah, okay. So today is Sunday. The reason why I'm saying this is confusing a bit. Today is a Sunday and I just cleaned my room. I also cleaned my bathroom. Everything is clean. I also just took a shower. I feel so fresh. So I just wanted to go for a walk just to get some fresh air. Maybe I'll walk around the complex Khanyani. Is this a complex, whatever, around the area where I stay, and then maybe walk out a bit. So when I come back, I'm gonna prepare dinner. I know that yesterday I said I'm gonna make rice and chicken curry. I changed my mind because yesterday afternoon I had something to do with chicken. I had chicken strips and then I made it into a sandwich burger, you know, situation. So I don't want chicken. I had chicken yesterday. I'm not having chicken today. So when I come back, I'm just gonna prepare some mince, and let me show you. Shells. This is what I want to make today. I didn't want to say spaghetti because it's not spaghetti, so I'm gonna make this with some mince. So hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. I hope you guys are loving the vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to turn on the notification. This part always shows me flames. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss, also that you get notified every time I post a vlog. So today I'm just wearing this old vest situation of mine and these jeans. These are old jeans. I got them a long time ago from the Figs, and I'm gonna be wearing my black slippers. I'm gonna be wearing these black slippers, and I know that my bonnet is looking kind of crazy right now. I know that my bonnet is looking kind of crazy, but so I went to Sasol garage to check the water. The prices are reasonable. Let's go get my bottle. I need to refill. Ciao.
got some flowers in the room. You wanna make sure I let the door run. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. You dream about it, I'm what you want. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk now? Before we get
Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who to grab if you're horny. Why that I can try. I get it right back. She put it all on me. I couldn't fight back. She love when I but only when it's tied back. You know it's hard to get up out that I can fight back. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who to grab if you're horny. Ride on it, green light me. But I know that you can. Walking up your plans when you're about to get messy. Man, I wanna go crazy. Summer's too hot, not to fuck it up. It's a mood ride. Is it wet enough? I got a blue ride. It's a level up. Let me get it up. Just a few times. Summer's too hot. Had to cover it up. Shot it too far. With the bubble butt. We should both slide on the regular. Summer's too hot. It's a regular. Shawty, she discreet, she don't want her business in the street. Be my little secret, baby, be my little freak. All weekend on a weekend, do something different. Got my attention. 8 figures, fucking with a rich nigga. Big picture, more than just a night with ya. Don't switch up, girl, when the lights hit ya. Them diamonds gon' dance. I know you don't dance, you really don't dance. But I know that you can. But I know that you can. But I know that you can. You really don't dance. But I know that you can. But I know that you
Oh yeah, baby. It was a fight at you. And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Hold me till I scream or and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Hi beautiful people, so I just finished cooking and eating, so I just got ready for bed. Honestly, I am so tired. As much as I didn't do a lot of things today, but I cleaned, I went to get water, and I cooked, which is a lot of things, honestly. So I just wanted to come here and say thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the love and support, guys. I see the love, I see the comments, I see the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel, besties. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. You won't regret it. I promise you won't regret it. Please don't forget to like and comment. Leave anything in the comments. Honestly, I appreciate seeing comments from you. So thank you guys for watching our 4th episode. See you guys Monday for another episode. Bye.